So today's problem is on homogeneous differential equation. So this is from differential equations of first order and first degree. First of all, this is the question to be solved. So here there is a fraction here. So we have to break this fraction. In order to break this fraction, we have to substitute x is equal to vy. There is no other option for this. As you are seeing that it's maintaining an equal degree. That is, it's a degree 2, it's a degree 2, it's a degree 2. It's a homogeneous differential equation. And now I'm going to solve this equation. So here this is xy log of this is x by y dx. If I send this to other side, this will be minus of this is y square minus x square log this is x by y into this is dy. So now, so this is dx and dy. So I am transforming it in the form of dx by dy is equal to this is minus of this is y square minus x square log this is x by y by divided by this will be xy log this is x by y. So now I have to break this fraction. So I am keeping x is equal to vy. So if I keep x is equal to vy and differentiate both sides with respect to y, see this will be dx by dy is equal to, for y it is 1, and if I leave y, for v it is dv by dy. So this is equation 1. And now I have to keep x is equal to vy and dx by dy is equal to this one. Now equation 1 will be transformed as dx by dy will be v plus y into dv by dy is equal to minus of this is y square. In place of x, if I write vy, this will be vy whole square, and this is log of, in place of x I have to keep vy. So this will be vy by y divided by this is x. So in place of x, what I have to write? This is vy into y into log, in place of x again I have to write vy by y. So now this will be v plus y into dv by dy is equal to this is y square, this is v square y square, and now I can cancel this y. So this will be log v. So this will be log v by here, if you see, that is y square v into log v. So I can cancel this y square. Now, so if I take y square common, that is v plus y into dv by dy is equal to, if I take y square common, this will be 1 minus v square log v by this is y square and this is v log v. Now I can cancel this v square. If I cancel this v square and send this plus v to other side and see what happens here, this is y into dv by dy is equal to minus of, so this is 1 minus v square log v by this is v log v minus v, and see, so this will become, so this will be y, this is dv by dy is equal to, if I take v log v as LCM, v log v as LCM, this will be minus 1 minus v square log v minus v into, if I multiply, this will be v log v, and see this is going to become y, this is dv by dy is equal to, this will be, if I multiply, this is minus 1, minus of minus plus v square log v, and this will be minus v square, this is log v by this is v log v. Now if I cancel this plus and minus, and what happens here, this is y into dv by dy is equal to minus 1 by this is v log v. So now I have to use variables and separables. Now I have to use variables and separables method. So if I use variables and separables method and see what happens here, v to one side and y to one side. So this will be v log v dv is equal to, this will be dy by v, and now I have to integrate on both sides. After integrating on both sides, this will be u and this will be v, and you know that is uv dx or dv will be and u we have to leave, v we have to integrate minus the derivative duy dv minus, so this will be v dx whole dx. See here, so this will be dx and this will be dx and this is also dx. In terms of x we have to do. So now I have to leave log v as it is. The first function v I am leaving and v I have to integrate. So this will be v square by 2 minus, so I have to make a derivative of u. So the derivative of u will be for log v, it is 1 by v, and for v it is, see here, for v it is again v square by 2. This is v square by 2 is equal to minus, this is log y plus log c. Now I have to cancel this for one time. So this will be v square by 2 log v minus, this will be v by 2 is equal to, this is minus log y plus log c. And see, this will be v square by 2 log v minus for v square. So this will be v square by 2 and again there is a 2 here, and if I send this inside, this will be log y is equal to some log c. And you know there is a substitution here that x is equal to vy. Then v will be, this will be x by y. So in place of v, if I keep x by y, so this will be x by y whole square by 2, and again this is log of x by y, and this is x by y whole square by 4 and plus log y is equal to some log c. And see what happens here. So this will be x square by 2y square. This is log x by y, and here also this is x square by 4y square, and this is plus log y is equal to log c. So here if you observe, so this is log a plus log b, and you can leave as it is like this. So if you see the question here, then log y will be equal to, so if I send this, if you send this to other side, then see what happens. Log y will be, this is x square by 4y minus x square by 2y square of, this is log x by y plus log c. So in this way also you can leave, and this is how we have to solve. And thank you so much for watching and staying till the end. And this is the general solution, final general solution. If you really understand, please raise your thumb and support this channel. And see here, so first of all we have to identify whether it is a homogeneous differential equation or not. So it's maintaining an equal degree as 2, and now we have to go with the homogeneous differential equation, whether we have to keep x is equal to vy or y is equal to vx. That is the question here. So in order to break this fraction, we have to keep x is equal to vy. So if we keep x is equal to vy, the question should be of the form dx by dy is equal to, in this form. So after differentiating both sides with respect to y, we have to substitute the two equations in this equation, and we have to cancel this one, y square common factors, and again if I send this plus v to other side, this will become minus v, and again after separating variables and separables method, we have to use v to one side and y to one side, and this is the final answer. We have to solve like this, and this is the general solution. And hope you all guys understand. If you really like, you know what to do, please subscribe to this channel, share it with your friends, and raise your thumb before you leave. Thank you so much.